Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into an anime Chibi Doodles portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will let you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, AI product photo, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create any creative AI image, the anime Chibi Doodles. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the description to access this tool. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this, and don't worry about the credits because this platform have free daily credits, so you can just try the tools for free. And then after that, just upload your image that you want to transform like this, and then next just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt, and you can also tweak it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model in here, and then choose your ratio, and then after that, just submit and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it's so cute. Like this, you can see your photo transforms into a cute chibi like this. I think it's super cute. And okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try it with your own photo and then just take a look for the results. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.